Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rove R2 4K. Rove's R2-4K is easily the best single-camera dash cam we've found yet, and the ideal choice for most drivers. It can record 4K video, and uses a pair of sensors to enable its night mode. The dashcam is also equipped with a motion detection sensor, which will turn the dashcam on if someone approaches your vehicle when it's off. If someone bumps into your car when you're away, the R2-4K will record 1 minute of video, which will be enough time to get a good view of the other driver, or their license plate if they drive away. Rove says the camera will lock footage recorded after an accident, so it won't get written over if your memory card is full. Number 2. Ssontong Dash Cam. Ssontong's dashcam is on par with most of our other recommendations, but is available for as little as $31.49. That's especially impressive because Ssontong includes a 32GB microSD card with its dashcam. Let's get this dashcam's biggest weakness out of the way: it can only record 1080p footage. This isn't much of a limitation, but many dashcams have started recording video in 1440p or 4K, which puts Ssontong's at a bit of a disadvantage. To be clear, this dashcam will still record excellent footage. We're only dinging its maximum resolution when compared to our other recommendations. With that out of the way, we're very pleased with what this dashcam has to offer. It has the largest field of view of any dashcam in this guide, which will come in handy if you tend to drive on 3 or 4-lane highways. Ssontong's camera will be able to record footage of a car crossing several lanes from beginning to end, which is very helpful if there's a traffic accident. Number 3. Viafo A119 V3. If you're primarily interested in getting a subtle-looking dashcam to keep your car protected when you're parked in a public space, Viofo's A119 is the perfect one to get. This dashcam can record video in 1440p, and has a Sony-developed image sensor to ensure it gets sharp video at night. Viofo touts the A119's HDR, High Dynamic Range, mode, which allows it to evenly capture scenes with a lot of contrast. Practically speaking, this means a car's brake lights won't wash out its license plates when you're driving at night. We're pleased with the A119 V3's video resolution, but a little wary of its 140-degree field of view, which will be fine when you're traveling on a 2-lane road and 3-lane highway, but not on larger roads. That is a weakness, but it's a little more understandable when you learn about this dashcam's 3 parking monitor modes. Number 4. Vantrue N4. The kit comes with 3 cameras, a dash cam with front and rear-facing lenses, and a third that can be mounted onto the back of your vehicle. Vantrue includes a 20-foot cable to connect the rear dashcam to your power adapter, but setting it up does require you to string a cable through your entire car. This is a hassle, but you'll end up with cameras that can record video of events that happen in front and behind your car, which can be very helpful if you get rear-ended. The Vontrue N4 has parking modes that can continuously record events that happen around your car when it's parked, but you'll need to get an optional $19 adapter to enable those features. The company is currently offering a $20 coupon on its dashcams, though, so you can technically get the parking features for free, unless you want to hardware both the front and rear cameras.